What you can also easily do is insert out Google Forms inside of your website. So to do that, over here you can see that a web page is opened up. And if I were to go around onto the right hand side, you can see Forms is an option. So if you have made out forms using Google Forms using your Google account, you can directly access out them right here. And you can also learn about Google Forms in detail by looking at my Google Forms tutorial series playlist that you can find on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go around and click on Forms right here, and you can see some forms that I have made right here, just like this. So I can directly access this. So all you need to do right here is select out the form that you want to insert and then click on Insert. And what happens is that the form gets here. So you can go around, resize out the form right here, the space it takes, or you can go around and then resize it accordingly, and you can see that it is quite dynamic. So as long as it is here, you can see that you can resize out the page as you wish. So I'm just going to go around and keep this here, and you can also drag this onto the top right here. So if I were to go and click on preview, then you can see that this is what you have. You see a form right here, and you can see it is very, very interactive. And that is how you can insert Google Forms directly onto your Google site. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.